All right. So on this one, we have two properties that we've already looked at, negative power and quotient. Now, in the negative power and the quotient, some of you get wrapped up in, well, where do I put the power? When it's negative, where do I do with it? So what we're going to do is we're going to perform things in order of operations. This is a simplifying process. There's nothing equal here, so it's a simplifying process. And so in the simplification of this, we're going to go through the order of operations, and the order of operations are parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, adding, and subtracting. Okay? The exponents are not a rule that we've dealt with yet. It'll show up later, probably in one of the problems that you select. And so there is no parentheses. There is no exponents for us to deal with. So we have multiplication and division. I take care of the negative properties at the end, because sometimes the negatives will take care of themselves inside performance of the quotient, or when we'll see in a minute, the product rule. And so, here are my like bases. 2 and 3 are like because they are numbers. X and X are alike because they're X's. Y and Y are alike because they're Y's. Z and Z are alike because they're Z's. So I have the quotient rule for all 4 pieces. And so when I deal with the numbers, there's 2 things I'm looking at. 1, what power is 2 raised to?
1.
Power 1, what power is 3 raised to? 1. So therefore, I cannot do anything with those powers. So now I got to look at the bases. The bases are different, so I go, is there any common denominator? And is there?
No.
No. And so therefore, my 2 and my 3 are going to stay. I look at the next one, and this is 4 minus 2, which is
2.
2. Is 2 positive or 2 negative?
Positive.
It's positive, so it remains on the top. Now I have negative 4 minus negative 3. Negative 1. And what do we do with the negative power rule? It goes on the bottom, and this becomes just y to the first power, correct? All right. Z and Z, so I have negative 3 minus 4. It's negative 7, so it goes and becomes positive. Okay?